Do you value privacy or do you value amenities? What about the ability to personalize your home versus low maintenance living? I'm Sean Reddy with the Reddy Group of Keller Williams, and I'm getting a ton of buyer questions today about what's the right type of property for them. Single family homes or multifamily homes, including condos and townhomes. So this week we're sharing 4 thoughts to consider when you're making the choice in searching for your next home. Number 1 is cost. In most areas, condo living is going to be more affordable than standalone homes. Yet it's important to remember that condos typically have an association fee that covers things like insurance and amenities that you're going to have to pay on top of your mortgage. Number 2, maintenance. One of the perks, of course, of condo living is that you're paying an HOA fee, yet the maintenance is taken care of out of that HOA fee. No cutting the grass, no painting the house, no worrying about the roof. All those are going to be included in your HOA fees. Number 3, amenities. Condos offer residents amenities that single-family homes often don't have. Workout rooms, pools, clubhouses, all these things should be taken into consideration given your lifestyle and what amenities you would use versus not use. And number 4, privacy. Obviously, a perk to single-family homes is that privacy comes with it. No sharing walls, no hearing your neighbor up or down, and no shared entryways. So our latest blog goes into much more detail on the choice between single family versus multifamily homes. Head over to reddygroupkw.com/blog. We'll see you next time.